Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be exploring 5 online passive income ideas that you can start in 2023. Passive income is a great way to earn extra money without actively working for it, and it can provide you with financial security in the long run. So, let's get started. Number 1, start a blog. One of the most popular ways to earn passive income online is by starting a blog. If you have a passion or expertise in a particular niche, you can create a blog and earn money through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. The key is to consistently create high-quality content that attracts readers and builds a loyal following. Number 2, create a YouTube channel. YouTube is another great platform for earning passive income online. You can create a channel and produce video content that appeals to a specific audience. Once you've built up a following, you can earn money through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. The key to success on YouTube is to create engaging and high-quality content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Number 3, sell digital products. If you have a talent for graphic design, web development, or other digital skills, you can earn passive income by selling digital products online. This can include things like templates, graphics, plugins, and other digital assets that are in high demand. You can sell your products on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and your own website, and earn money every time someone makes a purchase. Number 4, become a social media influencer. Social media has become a powerful tool for earning passive income online. If you have a strong following on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, you can earn money by promoting products and services to your audience. Brands will pay influencers to create sponsored posts, and you can earn a commission on every sale that comes from your promotion. The key is to build a strong personal brand and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Number 5, create an online course. Finally, creating an online course is a great way to earn passive income online. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. Once you've created your course, you can continue to earn money from it even if you're not actively teaching. The key is to create high-quality content that meets the needs of your audience. So there you have it, 5 online passive income ideas that you can start in 2023. Whether you choose to start a blog, create a YouTube channel, sell digital products, become a social media influencer, or create an online course, there are plenty of ways to earn extra money without actively working for it. Good luck and happy earning!